What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Poor Man Mods. Today we're going to be installing the Sikky manufacturing intake tube on my 2008 ISF. Now, as you can see here, this is just bare aluminum. Now, Sikky offers it, if you go to their website to purchase it, it comes in like a gunmetal powder coat. Well, I do work for Sikky part-time, and I asked them to do me a favor, and they set this aside for me before it went out to powder coating, because I actually want to powder coat this blue. I wanted something that just pops a little bit more to make this engine bay look a little bit more fun. I didn't want something super stealthy like their gunmetal, which it looks nice. I just wanted something a bit more exciting for my car. So what I'm going to do before I install this, I'm going to take it back to my house and powder coat it. If that's something you're interested in, if you don't want their gunmetal or gray or whatever it's called, you can shoot them an email and ask them to set you on a side. I can't promise you that they'll do it, but if they do it, don't expect it to be, beautiful and polished. This is just raw aluminum that came off their production line before it went to powder coat, so it's not polished or anything. There are, scratches and stuff, so, that's why they do powder coat it, because, it makes it look a lot nicer. So don't expect a beautiful polished pipe if they set it aside. You're definitely going to want to paint it or powder coat it once you get it. So let's go back to my house, sandblast this thing, make it blue, and then we'll put it on. Beautiful, baby, beautiful. See how it looks. That looks so good. I love it. All right, here we go. I think this pipe turned out absolutely amazing. I'm loving the color. Got my Sikky stickers and all the couplers and clamps that you need to install this. Apparently this is gonna take like less than a minute or maybe a minute to install. It's gonna be super easy, so let's go over to the car and install this bad boy. Oh no, fell off my electrical tape. Damn it. All right, let's get the stock intake tube removed. All you should need is an 8 and a 10mm socket. The two factory clamps that hold it on are 10mm. The Sikky ones are 8. And you don't even need tools for this. You can just pinch these spring clamps, pull them off, and out she comes. Alright, so here are both intake tubes side by side, very similar, but as you can see, the Sikky tube doesn't have this accordion piece here and this muffler here, which does improve flow for an actual proving gain. So let's get it installed. Got to make sure that you have that Sikky logo sticking up. Oh wow, my factory airbox is actually broken, it looks like. There's like wow. I might need a new one unless I can pop that out. How the heck does that happen? Look at that. Look at that. What the fuck is that? I bet it was done at the dealership because this just got back from having the valley plate leak repaired. What the hell? It's starting to look real good. Now we just gotta reconnect these tubes here. Super easy. All right, and it's that easy. Alright guys, got the Sikky intake tube installed in my ISF. Pretty straightforward and simple. All you need is an 8 and a 10mm socket to get this thing on. I'm loving the blue powder coat that I went with this. It's a pretty close match to the blue right here on the engine cover, so I'm definitely loving it. It's finally looking okay under the hood on this. You know, these engines are really, really ugly, and I think this made it look a little bit better under here. I want to give a big thanks to Sikky for helping me out with this video. I will have links down below to their website and also to this intake tube, so you can check it out and see what else they offer for the ISF. So once again, big thanks to Sikky, and hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.